Do you know how to change or clean the residue from wiper blades? Why it's important, how to do it, what to look for? My name is Dejan and I have the answers. Most modern cars now have the wiper blades that rest under the edge of the bonnet or hood. This is for aerodynamics and winter performance. Most modern cars have what is called a wiper service option. Typically, this can be found in the car's control systems via the dashboard, or it can be a procedure as simple as flick the wiper switch immediately after the ignition has been switched off. This will see the wipers park in a safe service position, typically vertically. This will allow you to lift the wiper arms to allow access to the wiper blade. Check the condition of the wiper blades on a regular basis. Damaged wiper blades should be replaced immediately. When lifting the wiper arm, hold the blade mounting. When the wiper arm has been lifted, press and hold the release button on the wiper blade and at the same time pull it off of the wiper arm. Insert a new wiper blade to the same length, design, and specification. Place the wiper arms carefully back onto the screen.